Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're checking out what many consider to be the best in its class, the Tachikara Volley Light Volleyball. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-handle ball or someone looking for a great training tool, this volleyball delivers a fantastic experience. The Tachikara Volley Light is an excellent choice for both new players and seasoned athletes alike. It features a soft, lightweight construction, making it much easier to control and handle, especially for younger players or those just getting started. Weighing in at just 0.21 kilograms, it's lighter than the standard volleyballs, ensuring that even long practice sessions don't feel as taxing on your arms. This design reduces the risk of injury and strain, making it the ideal choice for schools, training, or recreational play. One standout feature of this volleyball is its synthetic leather material. Not only does it provide durability, but it also offers a great balance of grip and smoothness, so your passes and serves will feel just right. Whether you're passing, setting, or spiking, the ball handles like a dream. Its sleek black and white color scheme also gives it a modern and professional look, which is always a nice touch if you're someone who enjoys a bit of style with their game. Now, something important to note about this ball is that it ships deflated, so you'll need a pump to inflate it. But don't worry, once you've got it inflated, you're ready to go. It's a quick and easy process, and within moments, you'll be set for hours of play. The ball is also designed for indoor play, making it a perfect option for gymnasiums, courts, and training areas. It's not intended for outdoor play, as the softer material is best suited for controlled environments, which is where it excels. While the Tachikara Volley Light isn't the only volleyball on the market, its unique blend of lightweight design, durability, and ease of control makes it stand out. Whether you're practicing drills, learning the fundamentals, or simply playing a friendly game with friends, this volleyball ensures you have the right tool to enhance your performance and enjoy the game. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality, easy-to-use volleyball, the Tachikara Volley Light is definitely worth considering. It's a top choice for schools, recreational leagues, and players of all ages. Make sure to check it out and see for yourself how it can improve your game. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews just like this one.